Hey everybody, it's Pete with HydroBlox West and Drainage Technology Solutions. Listen, we're at a yard, sorry for the noise in the background, but we're at a small yard in Northern California. And this homeowner, you can see the grade of the yard slopes down toward the home and toward this patio. And what would happen is there would actually be ponding water that would come up to the deck, and the yard would just be basically soupy and swampy. So there really isn't an easy way to get water off property. So instead what we did was we did a retention and storage application. Basically we built an underground reservoir. And so as you can see, we've done a 3-board run, and we did not only a 3-board run, but we also put in 2 stormwater boxes. So you can see here's the stormwater box, and we go to a 3-board run, and then we end with a stormwater box. Now in total, if my memory serves me, we put in capacity of about 250 gallons. And of course, what will happen is the water will be caught in the boards and caught in the stormwater box, and then it'll perk out into the soil at the rate at which the soil can accept it. But this is a classic example of a yard where it was going to be difficult to daylight or outlet the water out to the street or somewhere else. And so instead what we did was build a storage and retention application. Now imagine trying to do this with traditional methods, the French drains and well, of course, dry wells are just about as inefficient as they get. Basically, it's a big garbage can that they bury in the ground, and certainly doesn't let water out very efficiently, nor does it bring water in efficiently. And so this is a way to do it using HydroBlox, and that's it. Each one of these boards, when saturated, will hold about 6 gallons of water, and the stormwater boxes will hold each approximately about 65 gallons of water. So as you can see, this is one heck of a, sorry for swearing, basically an underground reservoir, and it'll perk out into the soil nice and slowly over time at the rate at which the soil can accept it. And that's it. For more information, go to hydrobloxwest.com, hydrobloxwest.com, and that's HydroBlox with an X.